Mr. Falak Khurshid, Additional Inspector General of Sindh Police, who has graced today's ceremony on behalf of Mr. Fayaz Ahmed Lawari, Inspector General Sindh Police, to please come over and express his views.
His Excellency, Honorable Governor, I acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of the Information Technology Department, Government of Sindh, under the leadership of Muhammad Raza Harun, Minister IT, Sindh, regarding successfully launching of all the components of the project Introduction to e-Police System in Sindh, to automate the entire information inflow from the police station to Central Police Office by utilization of latest technology, so that the police department will combat against the criminal with modern technological tools of the project and to provide relief to the citizens of the province in order to reduce the crime. His Excellency, I would like to invite your attention under the introduction of e-police system in Sindh, for which various components have been successfully implemented and executed by IT department in coordination with team of Sindh Police to enhance the capacity of the police department, like traffic management and surveillance system, for which 200 cameras are installed in important places in the city to not only monitor the traffic but also for using them for crime monitoring on the roads. Centralized Madadkar 15 call center has been established at E-Police Directorate Central Police Office, for which helpline operations are completely automated, coupled with a dispatch management solution that transfers the genuine complaints of the citizen to mobile phone. Mobile police vans equipped with tracking devices to ensure help is reached to victims in the shortest span of time, and immediate response will be provided to the incident or crime areas. The e-policing project ERP solution has also been developed and deployed in Sindh Police and Traffic Police to automate the entire business of the Sindh Police and interconnected with each other. IT department under e-policing project has also provided hardware and established networking in all locations of Sindh Police with interconnectivity, so that the FIR, CRO, that is the Criminal Record Office, and other public website of police can be monitored, centralized through data centers established at Central Police Office. His Excellency, I would also appreciate that under e-policing project, we have also successfully implemented and executed driving license system. The new e-driving license system is using the latest and state-of-the-art technologies, equipment and process to develop an unprecedented system. Now, due to this system, the issuance of all types of licenses using a centralized network with freedom at the driver's end to get it issued or renewed from any driving license branch across the province. His Excellency, FM radio station has been established for Sindh Police. It is one of the remarkable achievements of IT department. Under the project e-policing system in Sindh, through FM radio station, Sindh Police will guide and give advice to the citizens of Karachi during any major event or any accident-related traffic diversions, and also to give advice on alternate routes. Video conferencing system is one of the major initiatives of this project. Now, police department is arranging meetings briefings through video conference system, which will definitely increase the efficiency by reducing the administrative time and traveling cost. At the end, I congratulate all who have supported Sindh Police for implementing and executing this mega project in Police Department, and inshallah, Police Department will utilize these components of the project in order to improve the efficiency and to facilitate the citizens of the province of Sindh. Thank you.
The person who looks through an open window sees fewer things than the one who actually looks through the closed window. It is my pleasure to invite here Honorable Mr. Mohammad Reza Harun, Minister for Information Technology, Sindh, to share with us how these visionary initiatives of Arfa Kareem IT City, Karachi, and e-policing system in Sindh transformed into reality. Please welcome Mr. Mohammad Reza Harun.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Governor Sindh, Dr. Ashif Abbas Sahab, Professor Dr. Abdul Kalam Sahab, Islam University, Khalid Bashir Sahab, National IT Sindh, Zafar Abbas Sahab, IG Prison, SM Munir Sahab, those bade bhai hamare, Siraj Qasim Bedi Sahab, all the distinguished gents. Assalamu alaikum, every officers, police officers, tamam department ke log, media ke doston, assalamu alaikum. It's really an honor that I stand here today with utmost satisfaction that we were able to deliver these two very mega projects जो कि सिंध की तारीख के अंदर IT के हवाले से they will be really a milestone. और जिस तरह हमने देखा कि it was a very difficult time when I started the ministry in 2008 and given the task, सबसे पहला प्रोजेक्ट जो मेरे सामने आया I saw was the e-policing project. उसकी जब अफादियत मैंने देखी, मैंने went to the project, it was sir my immediately it caught my eye. मैंने कहा कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को डिलीवरी के लिए I will use all my efforts. I will use my 24 hours of the day. क्योंकि e-policing is the project which provides our very efficient police force with the necessary IT tools so that they can use those tools to generate information, to track records, to have surveillance, to generate various reports about criminals, crimes, and that too on the fingertips. जब ये task हमारे पास आया, so then at the time, going into a brief history, at that time the IG of Sindh was Dr. Shaib Sadal Sahab. So my first meeting as the steering committee was with Dr. Shaib Sadal Sahab, and I was really very pleased to meet the police officers then because they were all very forthcoming and very accommodating. और उस दिन के बाद से सर in e-police I have never had a difficulty with the police department, whether it was Baba Khatak Sahab, Wasim Sahab, then Fayaz Lagari Sahab, and then Fayaz Lagari Sahab again in between. All those officers, right up to the level of coordinating officers, they all cooperated with us, and hence we are today standing here with pride that we have completed our involvement, our task. जितने जिसके कॉम्पोनेंट थे सर हमने बड़ी सक्सेसफुली उनको ना सिर्फ डिलीवर किया, इनको रन किया, बल्कि जो सबसे बड़ी बात जो कि मैं आज यहाँ मीडिया के सामने सर और आप सबके सामने बताना चाहूँगा, विच वॉज वेरी अमेजिंगली वेरी सरप्राइजिंग फॉर मी, आई वॉज वेरी प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज कि जो एक पब्लिक कॉन्सेप्ट है कि पुलिस के अंदर कंप्यूटर से या IT लिटरेसी नहीं है सर, आई फाइंड दैट वेरी रॉन्ग. क्योंकि जो मेरा ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम था that was handled immediately by the traffic police and constables and then immediately took over. और आज वहाँ पे जो एक सिस्टम चल रहा है सर by the grace of God, they are doing it by themselves. IT डिपार्टमेंट ने इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग तो ज़रूर दी, लेकिन they are competent enough that proves कि हमारी पुलिस फोर्स के अंदर कॉम्पिटेंसी भी है और उसके अंदर वो लोग भी हैं that so the myth was broken. मैं तो मेरे अपने लिए भी बहुत खुशाइन बात थी कि मेरा अपना भी वो कॉन्सेप्ट जो था, परसेप्शन जो था, वो टूटा था. और बात सर यही नहीं रुकी, बल्कि बात और मैं सर ये थोड़े बहुत जिक्र इसलिए करना चाहूँगा कि दे डिजर्व द क्रेडिट. वी कुडंट हैव डन इट विदाउट द cooperation with the police will come to e-driving license. सर यहाँ पीछे लोग बैठे हैं, गुमनाम लोग हैं सारे, लेकिन सर ये सारी वी हैव गॉट अ लेडी है, सो द लेडी उनके लिए भी सुनी। तो इन लोगों के बगैर सर मैं e-driving लाइसेंस नहीं कर सकता था। जब मैं क्लिफ्टन ब्रांच गया हूँ, कोरंगी ब्रांच गया हूँ ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस को इंस्टॉल करने के लिए, अगेन आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड। ये मैं अपनी बिजनेस कम्युनिटी के दोस्तों को बताना चाहूँगा कि हम अपनी पुलिस फोर्स के लिए जब हम बात करते हैं तो हमें ये चीज़ें नहीं पता होती जो मुझे पता चली कि जब मैं ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस गया कोरंगी ब्रांच, सर विद इन अ वीक ऑफ इंस्टॉलेशन वी वर आउट एंड दे वर हैंडलिंग इट। द एंटायर IT सिस्टम ऑफ मैनेजिंग, taking on the customer, taking on the client, having the records logged in digitally, and producing e-driving license. The Korangi branch did it for us, then followed by Clifton, then followed by Nazabad, and now they are doing it on their own. They are independent team. We are not helping them at all. कभी कभी इनकी कॉल आ जाती है, कोई दीगर मसाइल होते हैं, कोई कंप्यूटर का, लेकिन not for the system running. So the credit goes to the e-driving license driving police. Then sir, amazingly surprised again when we were installing the 15 call center. वहाँ भी हमने थिंक किया कि यार ये इतना स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट वी आर इंस्टॉलिंग द IT कॉल सेंटर कैसे रन होगा, और हमें ज़्यादा फिक्र थी कि हम पुलिस के हाथ में देंगे, पुलिस पता नहीं क्या करेगी, और जो मशहूर है कि 15 पे क्या होता है, जो लोगों ने बड़ी स्टोरीज कर रखी है सर वी वर प्रूवन रॉन्ग। 15 कॉल सेंटर इस वक्त DSP साहिबा के पास है, और हमारे यहाँ भी हमारे साथ बैठे हुए हैं वाहिद खान साहब, ही इज रनिंग द शो, वी आर नॉट रनिंग द शो। 24,000 कॉल्स आप दिन में रिसीव करते हैं, 24,000 कॉल्स कम टू 15 कॉल सेंटर एंड दे लॉग इट ऑल, और सब लॉग हो रहा है। तो कहने का मकसद ये है कि जहाँ जहाँ हम गए, हम प्रिजन में गए सर, प्रिजन में उसने नहीं गए, वी वेंट टू प्रिजन टू install our prison record management information system, and we met the IG of that time, Amin Saab. We started with Amin Saab along with another secret. He is no longer with us. He was very cooperative, very forthcoming. Then the IG, Thebo Saab, and now we have got Bukhari Saab, they all cooperated. And prison is again an example where the vendor was only there to install, train, and then the vendor came out, and the prison is also now being managed by their own team. It proves, sir, कि जो हमारी पुलिस के मुताबिक जो perception है, that has to be corrected as well. और अगर इसको आप proper tools देंगे, proper trainings देंगे, तो they can do it. तो all my congratulations, मेरी तमाम तर शुक्रिया पुलिस के उन तमाम अफसरान के लिए है, right from the IG up to the level of the computer operator that was also provided by the police, जिन्होंने इस बात को मुमकिन बनाया, गवर्नर साहब, कि we are now today able to successfully stand here with pride and taking honor of delivering our most difficult mega project, e-policing system. Sir, if I don't mention here the names of our old secretaries, मैंने सर जाकिर साहब के साथ ये काम शुरू किया था, then came in Rauf Farooqi साहब, then Mohammad Hussain साहब, then Saleh Farooqi साहब, and then not to forget our DGIT, now the Special Secretary Yusuf साहब, then the old department, the project director Athar Sain Baloch साहब, his whole team, all the vendors. Every vendor understood what was the importance of e-police, whether it was the traffic management system, whether it was the 15 call center.